welcome back, you guys. We have another fun activity to do. We're doing make your own Puffy stickers. I just got this from Hobby Lobby not that long ago. Like, I've had it for a while. I'm not done it. We have my little bro here. He's just going to be watching. So, let's get started. And if you're new to my channel, it's AAA Elise's Art Activities. I don't know if I'm saying that in the right order. Let's get started. Here, no, keep your chair there. Okay, so it looks like the things that it comes with. It looks like it comes with like this little thing you squish it with. It looks like just like some of the sticker parts. Don't do that. And some like the things to put it together. Let's open up.
Wow.
Got it cut. Okay. Keep the scissors down. You guys, these are so cute. Look at these. They're so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really. Oh, and also says make 60 stickers, so I'm probably gonna do all of them. That is adorable. Oh my word, there's more. Some of them fell off.
I think those connect.
I think you can just like rip them off.
Yeah.
Oh my word, there's more. Those are adorable. What? Oh, these are probably a part of it. Like foam circles. You need a sample. More of them. I'm just gonna pull out all the foam circles. And yeah. This, I'm guessing, is the directions. We'll read those. We have the something, I don't know what that is. We have more of them. This is this side up, if you don't know what this is. Oh my God. There's a lot more of those. And there's one more little panda picture. And it looks like this is our smusher. Okay, so I'm going to get the directions out. Okay, so it says Puffy Sticker Maker instructions. Okay. Step 1, cut. It looks like the picture is to cut one of these guys off. Yeah, I got a couple scissors. Scoot that way. Okay, it looks like I have to cut the circle around it because it's a square. I have to cut. Oh yeah, I picked this little lollipop guy. It was just kind of loose. You gotta stay over there, dude. Okay, so I got that. Step 2, get one of the little white circles. Got one. Oh, I have to pop the hole out. I hate the little holes. If you guys have a strategy to pop the holes, put that in the comments down below. I really need that. Oh yeah, forgot to smash that like button if you haven't already. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did, it'll give you 10 years of good luck. Okay, back to this. And it says get one of these. It also says to peel. When you have to bend it, and then it'll come off. Okay, what did you do? Take them and peel. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to peel. Peel. Okay, that's good enough. Next it says stack them in a specific way. Put that down. In a specific way. Oh yeah. Like that. I'll show you guys in a minute. So I'm guessing, or not guessing, I'm looking at it. And you put this on the little line-up hole. Like that. And this kit is from Hobby Lobby. Keep forgetting to say all these things. Okay, next you put this little white thingy circle on. Hope I'm doing this right. Next, you get to put your cute little picture on. So what it is, this circle's right there. Oh god. Well, that's what it is, and it goes on the. So here it has like the little picture. So to where you're gonna put it. Put it there. I'm gonna set that down, and it looks like after you do it, you kind of gotta push the sides down. Are you ready to smush it? Go. Okay, ready? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to do.
Maybe try standing up.
Okay, here it is. How do you get those? Oh, you pull it. Oh no, it didn't work. Well, we'll try that again. That one didn't really work. Okay, let's do it again. What picture should we do? Oh god.
I think this
This
one.
narwhal.
Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, I'm gonna pop out another circle. I'm not really gonna talk during this one so we can get it done faster. What are you doing? Stop. This is, I'm pretty sure, like $9. $9.99, so $10. I don't know if that's plus tax or not. I'm doing this my own way now.
Okay.
Oh, what I did wrong. I did this wrong. So it says don't cut the edges until it's done. Okay. So don't trim the edges until you've already smushed it. Okay, so the picture's a surprise. There it is. This is so cute. Look at that little narwhal. Okay. So we do have a few other ones that my friend sent me.
She has the same kit.
Pretty sure she does. She has this one. She made cute. Star cupcake. So I'll add those to my collection. I kind of like it just like that, so that it has the full thing without, and it says cut it. So I don't really want to cut it. I'm just gonna push them on the floor. Down there. You want to pick out another picture?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we might. I kind of want
I want to do the rainbow.
I think we should do this rainbow so we can see how that just
Yeah,
just like
that'll be
one in
so
color.
cool.
And then do our steps again. Do you want to do it this time? And
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get this part because it's a little. Some other videos we're probably going to be making slime.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't do that. So my strategy is after you take it out, I would line your little foam circle up before you put it on in the smusher because these will stick to your hand because the inside is sticky. After you have to peel the side up thing off. Kind of have to bend it and then it will part open, I guess. I don't know. Part open, what am I saying? Okay, and then you can just touch the little foam circle. Put it down. Okay. Type in the comments down below how do you think this will turn out. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, press it. Squish it. Oh, God. Oh, no, that might.
I know how.
You just dropped it. Okay, bring it up here so they can see you. Okay. 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 Dun, da, 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 da. Oh my word. This is trouble. Another thing I kind of want to do. I'm going to cut the edges of this
Let's
off.
see what this rainbow.
Oh, I'm brilliant. I'm cutting the rounded off.
Let's try this rainbow.
No, I don't want to do it.
Let's try
So I cut that off.
this
No.
rainbow then.
Okay, so comment down below if you guys have ever done something like that. Hope you liked this video. Bye.